before it happens. Channel 4 is the Weather Authority.
All right, and we're through the weekend now. I hope everybody had a great one. You know, what a difference 24 hours makes. Yesterday, hot and steamy, lots of sunshine. Today, the clouds moved in, but the trade-off, much cooler temperatures out there. And I know, speaking for myself, I love the cooler weather. I'm sure a lot of you folks do as well, but it looks like we are through the meat of the summertime. So we'll see what the rest of the forecast has in store, but it looks like it's going to be a lot cooler heading into the next couple of days. Taking a live look over the River City this evening. It is a pleasant evening out there. It's dry in the downtown currently, but if you're watching from St. Johns County, at least the northern part, or southern Duval County, you guys are picking up a couple of showers. We'll show you that coming up in just a moment. It's 81 degrees currently at the airport, 82 degrees at the beach. Same in Arlington, and these temperatures will continue to drop just 1, 2, maybe even 3 degrees cooler, and that's going to be about it, thanks in part to the cloud cover that is over our area. Mostly dry across our region from southeastern Georgia through northeastern Florida, but zooming on down into areas of northern St. Johns County here, you'll see that we do have a couple of showers in progress here in southern Duval County as well. Looks like just crossing into Duval, right along 295 here south of the town center and just to the east of Phillips Highway. This shower is moving off towards the south and west, generally in the direction of the St. Johns River. Putting a tracker on this, it's moving pretty quickly here at about 20 miles an hour or so. This is going to put it in Pine Bluff in about 9 minutes, Julington Creek in about the next 15 minutes or so, Fruit Cove in 22 minutes. So keep in mind that we have a lot more showers to go out behind me over the open waters of the Atlantic. So Jax Beach, Ponte Vedra Beach, get ready. We have more showers moving in your direction. So it looks like it could be a wet overnight tonight, and we have more in store for your commute tomorrow morning. So keep that in mind. May want to leave a few minutes early. Tropical Storm Cristobal, 668 miles southeast of Jacksonville, 45-mile-an-hour winds as of the 8 p.m. advisory, 52-mile-an-hour gusts, and the pressure is actually down to 998 millibars. And we constantly watch the barometer because the lower the pressure goes, generally, the stronger the storm is. Now, take a look at the forecast cone from the National Hurricane Center, and you will see that they want to keep this fairly far away from the U.S. mainland, which is really good news. You can see most of the computer models are now agreeing with a very hard right turn as it pushes up off towards the outer banks of North Carolina and then eventually on out into the Canadian Maritimes. But we're going to continue to monitor it because it is certainly that time of year. You can see it is a very large circulation here, sitting pretty much stationary over the southern Bahamas. And again, a very poorly organized system, but there in the last few frames, looks like we have a pretty good ball of convection, aka thunderstorms that are forming near the center. That could be a sign of organization. Temperature 81 degrees currently in the downtown, 82 in Fernandina, 78 degrees in Gainesville. The winds have been breezy all afternoon. We are 15 miles per hour here in Jacksonville, gusting to upwards of 30 miles per hour there in Fernandina. Now here's your forecast. The storm here wants to lift off to the north, thanks in part to a front that has slipped through our area, and that front will kick this thing on out to sea, and it will bring cooler weather into our area, but it's also going to bring a more disturbed atmosphere. We're looking for rain chances over the next 48 hours to be pretty healthy at about 40 to 50%. Highs tomorrow in the upper 80s, 87 degrees on the north side, 86 downtown. That's thanks in part to those thick clouds that'll be across the region. For tonight, 77 degrees is about all we're going to muster for tonight, it looks like. Though your haircast, there you go. Northeasterly winds 15 to 25 miles per hour, 84 degrees at noon tomorrow, 40% chance of rain, 50% chance of rain at 5 o'clock in the full boat here, 50% chance of rain tomorrow, not much sun, but then the sun comes back by midweek and into next weekend. Kent?
Thanks, Blake. Well, I told Michael